Class 12th English poem. Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. Summary of the poem. Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda is a call for introspection and peace. The poet asks humanity to pause from its fast-paced, noisy life and reflect on its actions. He suggests that by keeping silent for a moment, people can experience a sense of unity and realize the futility of violence, war, and environmental destruction. Neruda believes that this temporary inactivity would not be a sign of laziness or death, but rather an opportunity for renewal and a fresh start. The poem conveys a message of peace, harmony, and coexistence with nature. पाब्लो नेरुदा द्वारा चुप रहना आत्मनिरीक्षण और शांति का आह्वान है। कवि मानवता को अपने तेज-तर्रार, शोरगुल वाले जीवन से विराम देने और अपने कार्यों पर विचार करने के लिए कहता है। उनका सुझाव है कि एक पल के लिए चुप रहने से लोग एकता की भावना का अनुभव कर सकते हैं और हिंसा, युद्ध और पर्यावरण विनाश की निरर्थकता का एहसास कर सकते हैं। नेरुदा का मानना है कि यह अस्थायी निष्क्रियता आलस्य या मृत्यु का संकेत नहीं होगी, बल्कि नवीनीकरण और एक नई शुरुआत का अवसर होगा। कविता प्रकृति के साथ शांति, सद्भाव और सहअस्तित्व का संदेश देती है। एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पोएम्स थीम, कविता के विषय को समझना। कीपिंग क्वाइट बाय पाब्लो नेरुडा emphasizes the importance of introspection, self-reflection, and unity among human beings. The poem suggests that in a fast-paced world full of noise and activity, taking a moment to pause, reflect, and stay silent can bring about peace, harmony, and mutual understanding. The poet believes that silence and inactivity can lead to a better appreciation of life and can foster empathy, breaking the barriers between people. पाब्लो नेरुदा द्वारा चुप रहना मनुष्य के बीच आत्मनिरीक्षण, आत्मप्रतिबिंब और एकता के महत्व पर जोर देता है। कविता बताती है कि शोर और गतिविधि से भरी एक तेज-तर्रार दुनिया में रुकने, प्रतिबिंबित करने और चुप रहने के लिए एक पल लेना शांति, सद्भाव और आपसी समझ ला सकता है। कवि का मानना है कि चुप्पी और निष्क्रियता जीवन की बेहतर सराहना का कारण बन सकती है और लोगों के बीच की बाधाओं को तोड़ते हुए सहानुभूति को बढ़ावा दे सकती है। The poem also touches on the themes of environmental conservation and the futility of war and violence. By urging humans to stop their destructive activities, the poet advocates for peace, non-violence, and a harmonious relationship with nature. कविता पर्यावरण संरक्षण और युद्ध और हिंसा की निरर्थकता के विषयों को भी छूती है। मनुष्य से अपनी विनाशकारी गतिविधियों को रोकने का आग्रह करके कवि शांति, अहिंसा और प्रकृति के साथ सामंजस्यपूर्ण संबंध की वकालत करता है। 2 लाइन बाय लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन। स्टैंजा 1। Neruda asks the reader to count to 12 and remain silent. The number 12 could symbolize the 12 hours of the clock or the months in a year, representing a complete cycle. The act of silence is meant to foster introspection and give us a moment to pause and reflect on our actions. नेरुदा पाठक को 12 तक गिनने और चुप रहने के लिए कहता है। संख्या 12 घड़ी के 12 घंटे या एक वर्ष में महीनों का प्रतीक हो सकती है, जो एक पूर्ण चक्र का प्रतिनिधित्व करती है। मौन का कार्य आत्मनिरीक्षण को बढ़ावा देने और हमें अपने कार्यों को रोकने और प्रतिबिंबित करने के लिए एक पल देने के लिए है। स्टैंजा 2। In the silence, there will be no rush, no noise, no unnecessary activity. The poet calls for stillness, where people would stop moving their hands, which represent work and action. In this quiet moment, everyone will be equal, there will be no distinction based on social status, nationality, or profession. मौन में कोई भीड़ नहीं होगी, कोई शोर नहीं होगा, कोई अनावश्यक गतिविधि नहीं होगी। कवि शांति का आह्वान करता है, जहां लोग अपने हाथों को हिलाना बंद कर देंगे, जो काम और कार्रवाई का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हैं। इस शांत क्षण में हर कोई समान होगा। सामाजिक स्थिति, राष्ट्रीयता या पेशे के आधार पर कोई अंतर नहीं होगा। स्टैंजा 3। The poet continues by describing how fishermen would stop harming whales, and workers engaged in violent activities would cease to harm nature and fellow humans. By refraining from such destructive actions, we would give the environment a chance to heal. कवि यह वर्णन करके जारी रखता है कि कैसे मछुआरे व्हेल को नुकसान पहुंचाना बंद कर देंगे और हिंसक गतिविधियों में लगे श्रमिक प्रकृति और साथी मनुष्यों को नुकसान पहुंचाना बंद कर देंगे। ऐसे विनाशकारी कार्यों से परहेज करके हम पर्यावरण को ठीक होने का मौका देंगे। स्टैंजा 4। Neruda emphasizes the significance of silence. He suggests that the temporary halting of human activities would help us realize the harm we are causing. This pause would not be a sign of laziness or death, but rather a moment of regeneration. नेरूदा मौन के महत्व पर जोर देते हैं। उनका सुझाव है कि मानवीय गतिविधियों को अस्थायी रूप से रोकने से हमें उस नुकसान का एहसास करने में मदद मिलेगी जो हम पैदा कर रहे हैं। यह ठहराव आलस्य या मृत्यु का संकेत नहीं होगा, बल्कि उत्थान का क्षण होगा। स्टैंजा 5। The poet asserts that what he is asking for is not total inactivity or death, but an opportunity for a fresh start. He contrasts life with death, encouraging humans to live better by being more aware of their surroundings and their actions. कवि का दावा है कि वह जो मांग रहा है वह कुल निष्क्रियता या मृत्यु नहीं है, बल्कि एक नई शुरुआत का अवसर है। वह जीवन को मृत्यु के साथ विरोधाभास करता है, जिससे मनुष्य को अपने परिवेश और उनके कार्यों के बारे में अधिक जागरूक होकर बेहतर जीवन जीने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया जाता है। स्टैंजा 6। The final lines urge humans to embrace the quiet moment of reflection. The poet compares this to the earth, which appears to be dead during winter, but is actually preparing for the rebirth of spring. Similarly, silence will allow humanity to rejuvenate and grow. अंतिम पंक्तियां मनुष्यों से प्रतिबिंब के शांत क्षण को गले लगाने का आग्रह करती हैं। कवि इसकी तुलना पृथ्वी से करता है, जो सर्दियों के दौरान मृत प्रतीत होती है, लेकिन वास्तव में वसंत के पुनर्जन्म की तैयारी कर रही है। इसी तरह मौन मानवता को फिर से जीवंत और विकसित करने की अनुमति देगा। 3 Literary devices and figures of speech. Repetition. The poet repeats the word we and let's to emphasize collective human unity. For example, let's not speak and let's stop for 1 second reflect the poet's call for collective introspection. कवि सामूहिक मानव एकता पर जोर देने के लिए हम और चलो शब्द दोहराता है। उदाहरण के लिए चलो बात नहीं करते हैं और चलो 1 सेकंड के लिए रुकते हैं सामूहिक आत्मनिरीक्षण के लिए कवि के आह्वान को दर्शाते हैं। सिंबलिज्म, प्रतीकात्मकता। नंबर 12 symbolize time, hours on the clock, months in a year. It also represents the poet's desire for a universal pause. संख्या 12 समय का प्रतीक है, घड़ी पर घंटे, 1 वर्ष में महीने। यह एक सार्वभौमिक विराम के लिए कवि की इच्छा का भी प्रतिनिधित्व करता है। Fishermen and whales symbolize the relationship between humans and nature, particularly the destructive nature of human activities. मछुआरे और व्हेल मनुष्य और प्रकृति के बीच संबंधों का प्रतीक है, विशेष रूप से मानव गतिविधियों की विनाशकारी प्रकृति। Personification. Earth's stillness in winter is personified. The earth is depicted as quiet but still alive, preparing for rebirth. सर्दियों में पृथ्वी की शांति को व्यक्त किया जाता है। पृथ्वी को शांत के रूप में चित्रित किया गया है, लेकिन अभी भी जीवित है, पुनर्जन्म की तैयारी कर रहा है। Antithesis. The contrast between no truck with death and count up to 12 shows that the poet does not advocate for inactivity as death but as a life-affirming action. मृत्यु के साथ कोई ट्रक नहीं और 12 तक गिनती के बीच का अंतर दर्शाता है कि कवि निष्क्रियता को मृत्यु के रूप में नहीं बल्कि जीवन पुष्टि क्रिया के रूप में वकालत करता है। मेटाफोर। The earth's quiet in winter is used as a metaphor for the quiet moment Neruda is asking for from humanity. It's a period of stillness that leads to growth. सर्दियों में पृथ्वी की शांति का उपयोग उस शांत क्षण के रूपक के रूप में किया जाता है जो नेरुदा मानवता से मांग रहा है। यह शांति की अवधि है जो विकास की ओर ले जाती है। 4 Character sketch of the poet. Pablo Neruda, 1904 to 1973, was a Chilean poet, diplomat, and politician who is widely recognized as one of the most significant poets of the 20th century. His poetry ranges from passionate love poems to politically charged works that denounce injustice and oppression. Keeping Quiet reflects Neruda's deep concern for humanity and the environment. He believed in the power of silence and introspection to foster empathy and mutual understanding. पाब्लो नेरुदा 1904 से 1973 चिली के एक कवि, राजनयिक और राजनीतिज्ञ थे, जिन्हें व्यापक रूप से 20वीं शताब्दी के सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कवियों में से एक के रूप में पहचाना जाता है। उनकी कविता भावुक प्रेम कविताओं से लेकर राजनीतिक रूप से चार्ज किए गए कार्यों तक है जो अन्याय और उत्पीड़न की निंदा करते हैं। चुप रहना मानवता और पर्यावरण के लिए नेरुदा की गहरी चिंता को दर्शाता है। वह सहानुभूति और आपसी समझ को बढ़ावा देने के लिए मौन और आत्मनिरीक्षण की शक्ति में विश्वास करते थे। As a poet, Neruda often addressed social issues and sought peace in the world. His advocacy for unity, love for nature, and opposition to war are central to his work. Keeping Quiet exemplifies his philosophical and reflective side, where he encourages individuals to pause and think about their actions, both towards one another and towards nature. एक कवि के रूप में नेरुदा अक्सर सामाजिक मुद्दों को संबोधित करते थे और दुनिया में शांति चाहते थे। एकता के लिए उनकी वकालत, प्रकृति के लिए प्यार और युद्ध का विरोध उनके काम के केंद्र में है। चुप रहना उनके दार्शनिक और चिंतनशील पक्ष का उदाहरण है, जहां वह व्यक्तियों को एक दूसरे के प्रति और प्रकृति के प्रति अपने कार्यों के बारे में सोचने और सोचने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करता है। 5 Important quotes and explanations. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. अब हम 12 तक गिनेंगे और हम सब चुप रहेंगे। The poet begins with an invitation for silence. This collective pause is intended to foster reflection and unity. कवि मौन के निमंत्रण से शुरू होता है। इस सामूहिक विराम का उद्देश्य प्रतिबिंब और एकता को बढ़ावा देना है। For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language, let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. पृथ्वी के चेहरे पर एक बार के लिए चलो किसी भी भाषा में बात नहीं करते हैं, चलो 1 सेकंड के लिए रुकते हैं और अपनी बाहों को इतना नहीं हिलाते हैं। Neruda advocates for a moment of peace where all human activity and language differences cease. This silence will allow people to connect on a deeper, universal level. नेरुदा शांति के एक पल की वकालत करते हैं जहां सभी मानवीय गतिविधि और भाषा के मतभेद समाप्त हो जाते हैं। यह चुप्पी लोगों को गहरे, सार्वभौमिक स्तर पर जुड़ने की अनुमति देगी। Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. ठंडे समुद्र में मछुआरे व्हेल को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाएंगे और नमक इकट्ठा करने वाला आदमी अपने आहत हाथों को देखेगा। The poet highlights specific human actions that harm both nature and themselves. By stopping these activities, people will realize the harm they inflict on the environment and on their own bodies. कवि विशिष्ट मानवीय कार्यों पर प्रकाश डालता है जो प्रकृति और स्वयं दोनों को नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं। इन गतिविधियों को रोककर लोगों को पर्यावरण और अपने शरीर पर होने वाले नुकसान का एहसास होगा। What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. मैं जो चाहता हूं उसे कुल निष्क्रियता के साथ भ्रमित नहीं होना चाहिए। Neruda clarifies that he is not advocating for death or complete inactivity. Instead, he wants a meaningful pause that will lead to renewal and rejuvenation. नेरुदा स्पष्ट करते हैं कि वह मृत्यु या पूर्ण निष्क्रियता की वकालत नहीं कर रहे हैं। इसके बजाय वह एक सार्थक विराम चाहता है जिससे नवीनीकरण और कायाकल्प होगा। Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. शायद पृथ्वी हमें सिखा सकती है जब सब कुछ मृत लगता है और बाद में जीवित साबित होता है। This line emphasizes the cyclical nature of life. Even in stillness, as seen in winter, the earth is preparing for a rebirth. Humans, too, can learn from this process. यह रेखा जीवन की चक्रीय प्रकृति पर जोर देती है। शांति में भी, जैसा कि सर्दियों में देखा जाता है, पृथ्वी पुनर्जन्म की तैयारी कर रही है। मनुष्य भी इस प्रक्रिया से सीख सकता है। 6 CBSE exam pattern questions. Top 15 MCQs for CBSE board exams. What does the poet mean by count to 12? A. Time for meditation. B. Time to stop and reflect. C. Time to sleep. D. Time to eat. Answer B. Time to stop and reflect. What is the central theme of the poem Keeping Quiet? A. Joy and celebration. B. Work and progress. C. Peace and introspection. D. Love and relationships. Answer C. Peace and introspection. What does the poet advocate through silence? A. Total inactivity. B. Peace and reflection. C. Death. D. Laziness. Answer B. Peace and reflection. What will happen if we all keep quiet, according to the poet? A. Life will become boring. B. There will be peace and harmony. C. People will get lazy. D. The world will end. Answer B. There will be peace and harmony. What does the poet suggest fishermen should do in the poem? A. Stop harming whales. B. Catch more fish. C. Stop working. D. Go to sleep. Answer A. Stop harming whales. What is the significance of the number 12 in the poem? A. Represents 12 months of the year. B. Represents 12 hours of the day. C. A symbolic number for time and reflection. D. A random number. Answer C. A symbolic number for time and reflection. What does the poet mean by not move our arms so much? A. Stop working physically. B. Stop being violent. C. Stop playing sports. D. Stop exercising. Answer B. Stop being violent. What is Neruda's view on war and violence in the poem? A. They are essential for progress. B. They are futile and destructive. C. They are a part of human nature. D. They should be encouraged. Answer B. They are futile and destructive. What does the poet compare Earth's stillness to? A. Winter. B. Summer. C. Spring. D. Autumn. Answer A. Winter. How does the poet describe the relationship between man and nature in the poem? A. Exploitative. B. Symbiotic. C. Harmonious. D. Peaceful. Answer A. Exploitative. What does Neruda say about total inactivity? A. It is good. B. It is death. C. It leads to progress. D. It is peaceful. Answer B. It is death. What can we learn from earth, according to the poet? A. How to grow crops. B. How to be productive. C. How to find life in stillness. D. How to keep moving. Answer C. How to find life in stillness. What is the poet's main message in keeping quiet? A. Be active all the time. B. Reflect on actions and promote peace. C. Keep working hard. D. Pursue personal goals. Answer B. Reflect on actions and promote peace. What will be the result of keeping quiet, according to the poet? A. People will become passive. B. People will realize the futility of destructive actions. C. People will get lazy. D. Life will stop. Answer B. People will realize the futility of destructive actions. What happens when the poet calls for quietness? A. Life stops. B. The earth continues to live silently. C. Humans become inactive. D. There is no productivity. Answer B. The earth continues to live silently. B. Long answer questions, LAQs. Explain the central theme of the poem Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. Answer. The central theme of Keeping Quiet is introspection and the need for peace. The poet emphasizes the importance of silence and stillness in today's chaotic world. He advocates for a pause from destructive actions, whether it be violence, environmental harm, or interpersonal conflicts. The poem suggests that by staying quiet and reflecting, humans can foster empathy, realize the futility of violence, and live in harmony with each other and nature. Discuss how the poet uses silence as a powerful tool for introspection in Keeping Quiet. Answer. In Keeping Quiet, Pablo Neruda presents silence as a medium for deep reflection and self-realization. Silence enables people to take a break from their hectic lives and think about their actions. The poet urges mankind to refrain from speaking or engaging in harmful activities to realize the destruction they cause. Through silence, humans can connect with one another and recognize their common humanity, thereby promoting global peace and understanding. How does the poet highlight the need for environmental preservation in the poem Keeping Quiet? Answer. In Keeping Quiet, Pablo Neruda conveys a strong message about environmental conservation. He mentions the fishermen who harm whales and the salt gatherers who harm their own bodies while working. By suggesting that they should stop their activities for a moment, the poet implies that human beings are exploiting nature and themselves. He urges a pause to reflect on the harm we cause and the need for environmental preservation for the well-being of future generations. How does the poem Keeping Quiet emphasize the futility of war and violence? Answer. Keeping Quiet underscores the futility of war and violence through the metaphor of silence. The poet suggests that in a moment of quiet reflection, humans will understand the senselessness of violence and war. He invites people to stop all activity, including violence, to realize that these destructive behaviors only lead to pain and suffering. The pause offers an opportunity to reflect on peaceful coexistence and the possibility of living in harmony with others. What is the significance of the earth's stillness in the poem Keeping Quiet? Answer. The stillness of the earth in winter is symbolic of regeneration and renewal in Keeping Quiet. The poet draws a comparison between the quiet stillness of nature and the quiet he advocates for humanity. Just as the earth appears dormant in winter but is actually preparing for spring, humans can find life and rejuvenation in moments of silence. This stillness is not inactivity or death, but a period of reflection and growth. Why does the poet say count to 12 in the poem Keeping Quiet? Answer: the phrase count to 12 in Keeping Quiet symbolize a short yet significant pause. The number 12 may represent the 12 hours of the clock or 12 months of the year, indicating a complete cycle of time. It serves as an invitation to pause, reflect, and keep quiet for a brief moment, allowing introspection. This moment of silence is meant to bring about self-awareness and a realization of our actions, particularly the harm we cause to nature and each other. What message does Pablo Neruda convey through the poem Keeping Quiet? Answer: Pablo Neruda's poem Keeping Quiet conveys the message of introspection, peace, and unity. The poet urges humans to stop their destructive actions, reflect in silence, and understand the impact of their behavior on themselves and the world. By keeping quiet, people can break free from the cycle of violence and conflict, achieving harmony with nature and fellow human beings. The poem advocates for self-realization and collective peace through silence and reflection. How is the idea of universal brotherhood highlighted in Keeping Quiet? Answer: the idea of universal brotherhood is central to Keeping Quiet. Pablo Neruda calls for silence, during which all human beings, regardless of language, nationality, or profession, are united in their quietness. This shared experience creates a sense of unity, breaking down the barriers that divide people. In this moment of reflection, humans can realize their shared humanity and promote peace and understanding, fostering a sense of universal brotherhood. Explain the contrast between death and life presented in the poem Keeping Quiet. Answer: in Keeping Quiet, Pablo Neruda draws a clear distinction between inactivity as death and the silence he advocates as life-affirming. While total inactivity represents death, the poet's call for silence is meant for renewal and reflection. This silence allows for introspection, which can lead to growth and a better understanding of life. The earth's stillness in winter, which is followed by the rebirth of spring, symbolize this idea of regeneration through quietness. How does Pablo Neruda use imagery in Keeping Quiet to convey his message? Answer: in Keeping Quiet, Pablo Neruda uses powerful imagery to convey his message of peace and introspection. The image of fishermen harming whales and salt gatherers damaging their hands symbolize human exploitation of nature and self. The stillness of the earth in winter is another strong image, representing a pause in the cycle of life that leads to renewal. These images highlight the need for humanity to reflect on their destructive actions and find peace through silence. What does Neruda mean when he says, without rush, without engines? Answer: when Pablo Neruda says, without rush, without engines, he is advocating for a pause in the hectic pace of modern life. He wants people to stop their busy routines and the constant movement driven by engines, which symbolize industrialization and mechanization. By stopping for a moment, humans can reflect on the harm caused by such rushed activities and gain a deeper understanding of their actions, ultimately promoting peace and harmony. Why does the poet emphasize the need to not speak in any language? Answer: in Keeping Quiet, Neruda emphasizes the need to not speak in any language to break down barriers between people. Language often divides us along lines of nationality, culture, and identity. By keeping quiet, the poet envisions a moment where all humans are united in silence, transcending these divisions. This silence allows for a deeper connection beyond words, fostering understanding, unity, and peace among people. How does Neruda advocate for non-violence in keeping quiet? Answer: Neruda advocates for non-violence in keeping quiet by calling for silence and stillness. He suggests that in moments of quiet reflection, humans will recognize the futility of violent actions. The metaphor of not moving our arms so much implies stopping all violent and harmful behavior. The poet believes that by refraining from destructive actions, we can achieve peace and harmony, both with each other and with nature. What lesson does Neruda want humanity to learn from nature in keeping quiet? Answer: in keeping quiet, Neruda wants humanity to learn the lesson of regeneration and peaceful coexistence from nature. He uses the stillness of the earth in winter as a metaphor for the quietness he advocates. Nature, despite periods of stillness, continues to live and thrive. Similarly, humans can take a moment of quiet to reflect and rejuvenate without resorting to destructive actions. Nature's ability to renew itself teaches us the importance of reflection and patience. Discuss the relevance of keeping quiet in today's world. Answer: the relevance of keeping quiet in today's world is profound. In a time marked by environmental degradation, violence, and social conflict, the poem's message of introspection and peace is more pertinent than ever. Neruda's call for silence encourages people to stop and reflect on their actions, promoting harmony with nature and each other. The poem serves as a reminder that true progress comes from understanding and empathy, rather than from constant activity and aggression.